So this is the question is all about. We are conducting a chain survey on the ground along the line AB. But there is a pond in between. So what we need to do is that we need to find out the width of this pond. So according to the question, we have selected a point C on this side of the pond, and we have selected a point D on this side of the pond. Okay, we have drawn a line CE of 100 meter length on the left side of the pond, and we have drawn a line CF of 80 meters on the right hand side of the pond. And another condition is that the points E, D and F are on the same straight line, okay, such that DE is equal to 60 meters and DF is equal to 50 meters. So these are the given datas of the question. So what is our goal? Our goal is that we need to find out the width of this pond. In other words, it will be okay if we find out the length CD, because C and D points are selected very near to each bank. So if we find CD, we can consider this to be the width of the pond. Okay. Now let us try and solve the problem. Let us take this triangle CFE. Before that, let us assume this angle to be theta. Let us assume the angle CFE to be theta. Now let us take triangle CFE. From this triangle, we can easily write by applying the cosine rule, CE square is equal to C square is equal to, C is the side of the triangle which is opposite to the angle theta. So by applying cosine rule, we can write C square is equal to CF square plus FE square minus 2CF FE cos theta. Okay, just take a look at the drawing and try to figure out how we have found out. We have applied cosine rule to this triangle. C square is equal to CF square plus FE square minus twice CF into FE into cos theta. Clear? Now if you don't remember this cosine rule, let me clear it for you. Suppose we have a triangle. The sides are A, B and C. I am repeating the cosine rule for you. Suppose this angle is theta. Okay, so what can we write here from this triangle by applying cosine rule is that C square is equal to A square plus B square minus twice AB cos theta. Okay, the same rule we are applying here. Clear? So we can easily find out the value of cos theta from this. Okay, the value of CF, EF and CF, EF, C, all these values are given. So I have put down the values. CF square is, again, if you look at the question, CF is 80, so 80 square. EF is equal to this 60 plus 50, EF 110, so 110 square. C is 100, it is given here, C is 100. So after putting down all the values, the value of cos theta we get is 0.48. I'm doing the calculation for you. Okay, so the value of cos theta we have found out to be 0.48. So now let us consider this triangle now, CD and E. Oh sorry, not CD and E. Let us consider this triangle CDF. Okay, triangle CDF. From this triangle, what we can write, again, theta is the angle opposite to the side CD. Again, by applying cosine rule, just like the earlier triangle, we can write here CD square is equal to CF square. CD square is equal to CF square plus DF square minus twice CF DF into twice CF DF cos theta. Okay, clear? From triangle CDF we have brought down CD square is equal to CF square plus DF square minus CF DF cos theta. Now we know all these values. CF square, what is CF square? 80 square. DF, what is DF? 50. So 50 square. So CF is 80, DF is 50, and cos theta is 0.48. 0.48. This is CD square. So CD is ultimately the root over of this whole thing. 80 square plus 50 square minus 2 into 80 into 50 into 0.48. This is your value of CD. And this one we have found out to be, we are doing the calculation for you, 71.13 meter. So CD is the width of the pond, which we have found out to be 71.13 meter. Okay, CD we have found out to be 71.13, which is the width of the pond.